we've got two triangles here, and we're interested in finding the area of the land because the land is sold for £10 million per square kilometre. So if we can work out how many square kilometres are, we're sorted. Let's deal with the triangles separately. The first triangle here, down here, let's just give a little outline. Here, this is a right angle triangle, and therefore I can do a half base times height. A half times 5 times 12, that's going to be a half of 60, it's going to be 30. Maybe I'll just show that bit of working as well, just in case I made a mistake. 30, done. Right, the second triangle, we've got one side, we've got this side we don't know, we've got an angle in between. What jumps out at me is to use a half AB sine C. Okay, and we can do this because we've got a shared side here, we've got a right angle triangle, we need to use Pythagoras' theorem. This is the hypotenuse, so it's going to be 12, the green one here is going to be 12 squared plus 5 squared square rooted. That's equal to 144 plus 25 square rooted, which is the square root of 169, which is 13. You should try and learn this one as this is a Pythagorean triple, 5, 12, 13. Okay, they might chuck it in a non-calculator question. It's just good to know. There's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, 5, 12, 13. Those, the 6, 8, 10. Those are three worth knowing. Okay, that's good because now we can find out what half AB sine C is. So I should probably label this. Let's call this one area 1 and say that area 1 is equal to, and let's call this area 2. Then area 2 is going to be a half times 3 times this 13 I've just found times sine C, which is sine of 30. Now this is where the sneaky bit comes in. It's a non-calculator question. You're expected to know this, that this is equal to a half. I'm not going to go into methods for learning that right now. I do talk about it in some other videos. There's nice little memory techniques you can use. Make sure you know it. Okay, and we're nearly done then, so it's not looking particularly nice, I've got to say. It's going to be 3 times 13, which is 39, and then I divide that by 4. Okay, because when you do half times a half, it's the same as times by a quarter. It's the same as dividing by 4. Do I want to work that out? Yeah, why not? I think I have to. So to work it out, I can divide by 2, top and bottom. So that's going to be 19.5 divided by 2. And then I can divide by 2 again, and that's going to be 9.75. You can do short division if you want. So the total area is going to be 39.75, and the total cost is 10 million per square kilometre. So the answer's in millions, so it's just 39.75 times 10, which is going to be £397.5 million.